Elon Musk, the billionaire founder of Tesla, has announced his intention to donate $45 million per month to a newly established Super Political Action Committee, PAC, supporting former President Donald Trump's re-election campaign. According to the Wall Street Journal, Musk planned to commence these donations in July to the America PAC. However, a recent filing by the group did not list Musk among its contributors, despite the PAC raising over $8 million. The America PAC, established in late May, has attracted donations from several prominent entrepreneurs. Joe Lonsdale, co-founder of Palantir, contributed $1 million through Lonsdale Enterprises. Additionally, cryptocurrency billionaires Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss each donated $250,000 to the Super PAC, as reported in the Federal Election Commission (FEC) filing. Musk is notably the only CEO of a Fortune 100 company to endorse a candidate in the 2024 presidential race. He announced his support for Trump after an assassination attempt at a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania, stating on the social media platform X, "I fully endorse President Trump and hope for his rapid recovery," while sharing a video of the incident where a bullet grazed Trump's right ear. Musk has previously supported Democratic candidates, including President Joe Biden, in the last 3 election cycles. However, he has recently expressed dissatisfaction with several Democratic policies, including Biden's unwavering support for labor unions and his stance on immigration and border control.